Hello friends, welcome to my Technical Unboxer channel. Today in this video I am going to show you some features, details, guidelines for service and repair, terms and conditions of warranty, how to install it and public reviews about Fastrack Reflex 2.0 watch. Let's get started. Introducing the Reflex 2.0, the ultimate activity tracker that'll get you geared up for action. With a case thickness of just 12mm, it fits perfectly around your wrist. Coming in 3 fashionable colors, your Reflex is perfect for any situation. Take it for a jog, a party or any scene you go to. Its cost is 2000 Indian rupees and you can buy it cheaper from online market, also up to 1500 rupees price. Now let's discuss its features. 1. WhatsApp and SMS display. Messages from the squad won't be missed with WhatsApp and SMS scrolling notifications which you can read on the screen. 2. Camera control. Take remote control of your phone camera to take those selfies like a boss. 3. Phone finder. Don't lose your ***T when you lose your phone. With the phone finder feature you'll always be able to track it down. 4. Call notification. Whether it's calls you really need to take or calls you'd prefer to ignore, connect your phone to the app and stay notified on all calls with the call notification feature. 5. Vibrating alarm. Alarms that are ready to wake you up even after a long night. Set up to 5 alarms and let the tracker buzz you up to morning glory. 6. Water resistance. With IPX6 water resistance, your Reflex 2.0 can take a bit of water, but make sure you don't get it too wet. 7. Battery life. Last long, really long, with up to days of battery life on a single charge. 8. Distance, steps and calorie counter. The Reflex 2.0 has got you covered. Tracking the steps you take, distance covered and calories burnt, you'll always know how much action you're getting. 9. Sleep tracker. Keep a track of your sleep pattern in the bed and off it. 10. OLED display. This watch has a OLED display, an OLED screen and touch buttons which produces a good display. Now let's discuss about its service and repair. Skilled technicians in a dust-free environment have care your band. Do not allow any unauthorized person to open you. Would cause damage to the band and invalidate the conditions on me. Warranty. Environment have carefully assembled authorized person to open the band as this. For routine servicing or in the event of any malfunction, take your band to a Litan authorized service center. These are operated by factory trained technicians and are equipped to provide comprehensive service and repairs. To obtain service and repairs under warranty, do remember to carry the certificate of warranty with your band. Terms and condition of warranty. We warranty your Fastrack Reflex band explosive of the accessories against any manufacturing defect for 1 year from the date of purchase. This warranty also strength to the electronic components of the bands subject to the exceptions list below. The Titan authorized service center will honor not the warranty only if the certificate of warranty is stated and signed by authorized dealer at the time of purchase. This warranty does not cover the following: first, normal wear and tear. Second, damage caused by mishandling including damage to the crystal and striped or bracelet. Third, damage caused by the band being open anywhere other than the Titan authorized service center. 4. Damage due to water entry in the band that is not marked water resistance plating. Damage due to exposure to chemical solvents, commercial cleaning detergent, adhesives, cosmetics, etc. Plating damage arising from any misuse or abuse of the band, such as scratches, dents, or any other physical damage. Why plating wear off on the underside of the metal bracelet. 7th, any consequent damage or loss arising on account of the aforesaid to the electronic component due to improper charging. How to install Fastrack app and connect watch. Featured. To set up your Reflex app, follow the below steps after unboxing the product. Step 1. Connect the charger using the provided magnetic USB charger cable. The band should complete charging in 2 hours. Step 2. Long touch greater than 1.5 seconds. The touch area marked by less than greater than to power on the band. Step 3. Install the ReflexWAV app from Play Store for Android or from App Store for iPhone. Step 4. Select your FT-WAV 4X, where 4X is the unique Bluetooth ID of the band from the app startup screen. The app will pair with the band's Bluetooth and connect. This will initialize the band with time, date, weather, meetings, settings and other details by syncing with the phone app. Please note that you will need a smooth internet connection while pairing. Before pairing, the below screen will be displayed on the band. Your ReflexWAV will be in switched off mode when you receive it. After the first connection, the app will connect directly to the previously paired band. If you have paired multiple bands, you will get the option to select which band to connect to. Public reviews of this watch. 82% of positive response. 1% of neutral response. 17% of negative response. So majority is positive response. Also, pros. Comfort. Battery life. USB charging. Cons. Bulky. Clunky apps. No hard reset functionality. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also press the bell icon. Thank you friends.